This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to breakdance for beginners, focusing on the flare. First, position your body correctly by lying on your back with your hands flat on the floor, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Next, ensure your fingers point away from your body. Then, practice a gentle leg swing, keeping your core engaged. This initial movement is key to building the rhythm and balance needed for the full flare. Focus on smooth, controlled motions. Now let's develop that circular motion. As one leg swings up, push off with the opposite hand, lifting your hips. Your body should rotate around your supporting arm. Think of your hips drawing a large circle in the air. Keep your core tight and engaged. This is vital for control and stability. Practice this motion slowly, focusing on the coordination between your legs and arms. Repetition builds muscle memory. To truly master the flare, you'll need strength and balance. Incorporate drills like handstands against a wall to build crucial upper body power. L-sits are excellent for core strengthening, which is essential for maintaining your body's shape during the spin. Don't forget wrist push-ups. They prepare your wrists for the pressure and impact of supporting your weight. Consistent training will significantly improve your flare. Consistent practice is your best friend for mastering the flare. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes daily, focusing on smooth transitions and controlled movements. Don't be afraid to record yourself. Watching playback helps you spot mistakes and refine your technique. Remember, progress takes time and dedication. Also, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your practice space. Keep pushing your limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.